Alright, let's open this box and pretend we know what we're doing. Why does this thing have more tape than a spy movie? Step 1. Plug it in. Yes, we are already winning. Insert the ink gently, like it's a tiny, expensive treasure. Add paper. Try not to make it look like modern art. Now connect to Wi-Fi and hope you remember your password from 2009. Install the software and wait, maybe grab a snack. Moment of truth. Will it print or betray us? It works! We are officially tech geniuses now. If this saved your sanity, hit like, share, and subscribe, or drop your printer problem below.